So how to download Pintest video, both iOS and Android. So if you want to download Pintest video, like for example, if you want to download like Japan city, so a little bit scroll down. So if I want to download that video and there is no download option, so we need to copy link, and then we need to go to the Chrome, and we need to type Pintest video downloader and type. And then there's a lot of downloader, but we need to click the top and then click and then paste our copy link, and then we need to click download. We need to wait a little bit. Then we need to click force download video. And then we need to save the file. And when we check to the file, there is a video we downloaded. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.